Okay, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. So right now I have this area. Every time the SPY pushes to this spot or pull back to this spot, it bounces right off, right? So right now we're doing the same thing right now, and we guess what, we made a double bottom right here, and then boom to the upside, right? And only to, about to pull lower again, because guess what, this is a resistance, which is the 412 413 area. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, I am your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. What do we have today? We have small price low float stocks, or low float small price stocks, and I will get into the nitty-gritty of these stocks, right? I'm in front of me here. I have Finviz, and Finviz, I use Finviz to scan for stocks. I use Finviz to scan for stocks that are of low floats. You can easily go into Finviz, go into the screeners, and then you can decide what you're looking for in terms of float, right? So you can say, okay, I'm looking for stocks that are under 1 million in terms of floats, right? And these floats, they are so thin and they can easily run to the upside. And then guess what I do? I just go into snapshot or TA, which will give you, the details about the company in terms of, short floats and volatility, and also a little snapshot of the stock. Okay, going into the snap part, it gives you more details. It gives you the chart, it gives you details, news about that particular stock, what the company is, and as well it gives you fundamentals as well as insider trading. So now looking at ANTX, you see price is approaching the $10 zone, right? This is approaching the $10 zone, meaning we're about to break out. All we need is more volume to come into the stock. And then I go into, a stock chart, which is also another good platform as well. And then I do my charting. What am I looking at here? I'm looking at price breaking out of this zone right now. And then look how we're breaking through the 50 exponential moving average into $10. $10 is going to act as our resistance in the making. If, of course, prices begin to push to the upside in this market, and the market QQQ, IWM, and the SPY begin to push, guess what? We'll continue to push on ANTX as well. This is a therapeutic company as well. However, guys, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock whatsoever. This is for entertainment purposes only. We've got that out of the way, guys. You're welcome to this channel. This is the Trading Success Show. You can also email me if you have any question, concern at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Now let's get into the low price stocks, the low float stocks, and let's see if we can find one or two to play, right? I lay these out so that you can pick one or two, not all of them. This is up to you. All right, you're a baller. Right now we're looking at the SPY. We're looking at the 4-hour. Okay, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. So right now I have this area. Every time the SPY pushes to this spot or pull back to this spot, it bounces right off, right? So right now we're doing the same thing right now, and we guess what, we made a double bottom right here, and then boom to the upside, right? And only to, about to pull lower again, because guess what, this is a resistance, which is the 412 413 area. If we pull back into this trend, I'll be expecting a break back into 407 break. Then I'll be looking for price to revisit the 200 area, 200 moving average, which is $395 or $400-$395 zone. So keep an eye out, because your ultimate level for the market is 407. Next stock I'm going to be looking at is going to be LYT. Okay, why LYT? LYT actually shot up a couple of weeks ago and only to start pulling lower and lower and lower. Right now we are basing at this point in time, basing around this area, so I'll be expecting continuation to the upside on this. All I was doing is just buy low and then sell into the pop to the upside, you know, sell in and buy low, sell in. Right now I'm in this stock and I'm expecting a move to the upside as well. RODBX as well. This is Redbox Entertainment. Redbox Entertainment, I'm looking for 650 area, which is our 200 moving average on this chart. So if price can continue to push to that area, then we're gonna be all right. Okay. Also we're looking at BLUE. BLUE at this point in time, we're looking for a break through this area, and we did break that area. 525 540 is going to act as our support for now, because of that is a very long range area, but ultimately 525 is our support. If the price pull to that area, you know, and hold, then we're going to expect more to the upside on BLUE. LMDX, we're looking for this gap fill right here. 170 breaks, and then 190 is our next spot into $2.20 or 25 cents naturally into our trend. So keep an eye out on that name as well. We're gonna be looking at DAVE. DAVE right now, this is the trend we need to break through. If we can break through this 70-80 cents area, then we should be all right to continue right into $1.30. Okay, so keep an eye out as well. $1 is going to act as our resistance zone, so keep an eye out on that area. I love the name NTRB. Oh my goodness, $200. Not $200. Look at you guys. Well, we're looking at the 200 moving average spot right now. We're fighting that area. The stock is fighting that area so much that, you know, $5 can't even say hi. Okay, so keep an eye out on that $5 zone. If $5 zone holds, then if this 200 moving average holds, then we can break through right into $556. So keep an eye out as well. Don't forget that this is also a reverse split name. Most of the stock I will be laying out here, they are reverse split, including BAOS as well. So I'll be looking for 150 break and hold. This is not what I want. I don't like stock this way, but guess what? Every time I play a reverse split name, I sell into the push. Okay, I don't hold it because of, you know, I don't hold it to swing. Okay, as momentum continue to come into the name, I sell into the push and then buy on retracement back to support. So that's how I play reverse split name, because they're gonna continue, the company gonna continue doing reverse split here and there every single time. Right now $2 is gonna act on support on BHAT. So keep an eye out. $2.50 is going to be our support for now. If that comes, I'll be looking for more to the upside into $3.50, right into our 200 moving average. So keep an eye out on that as well. All right, so we have ROEV. ROEV is Revlon. Right now Revlon is fighting the 200 moving average. In my previous video I talk about this level 200 moving average has always been a critical area. Okay, we can shoot through, you know, the 200 moving average, but guess what? We will pull back of that zone unless there's momentum to hold it right above. Otherwise, if we shoot through 200 moving average, you want to be selling into that move. Otherwise, you will get this move back down to support, right? Right now, look at this boom boom candle. We pushed right through, we just couldn't. We try again, we just couldn't. But guess what? You made pretty much 3.12 into that name. If you're buying at this $8 zone, you're making a decent amount of profit, right? But for now, remember, if you buy right below the 200 moving average, you want to be selling into that area, because guess what? We can pull back to retest it. If it doesn't hold, then we can pull lower and reattempt again. That is what is going on right now. We're really attempting that zone again. $8.50 is our support. If that area holds, then we'll be looking for more to the upside, so keep an eye out on this name as well. MDJH, we're looking for price continuation. Right now, $2.25 is our support. Why? Because that is our 200 moving average. Okay, so keep an eye out if this $2.50 area breaks. CLSN as well, we are coiling to the upside on this name. What am I looking at? I'm looking at this coil to the upside, so keep an eye out on that $2.75 area. If we hold, then we can continue to push through $3 on this name. AMTX, look at that. We broke downtrend, okay, and then we push into resistance, held this area, and then boom boom play comes in, right? So right now our battle is going to be the $10 zone. If $10 hold, then we can continue into $11.25, $11.50 in the coming days. Nerve as well, NERV, right now look at that downtrend break with the boom boom candle. Right now you should be selling into this strength, right, and then back down to about below $4 and then bounce back up. So keep an eye out on this stock. $4.50 will act as a support for now. OST as well. OST, we did break through this downtrend into that level of resistance, back down to $2 spot. So keep an eye out for $2 as our support for now. CPOP as well, CPOP, right now we'll have this boom 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 candle. Look for 200 moving average to act as a support. MOBQ, right now you see these $2.70, 75 cents is our resistance if price doesn't hold this zone. So for now, $2 is going to act as our resistance because we failed that resistance area. So 175, keep an eye out on that as well. FAMI, we are looking for a boom boom play. We're looking for a boom boom bounce. Look at the candle. The candlestick is huge, guys. Okay, so they've been buying and buying and buying and buying. So I'll be expecting a bounce on this name to come in the coming weeks. So keep an eye out as well. CASI, CASI, we're looking for a boom boom play. Look at the volume coming in, so I'll be expecting, you know, a momentum play to come in on this name. This NVIV already made its move to the upside into the 200 moving average. See, right now we push to the upside, push right to the 200 moving average, back down, RSI at the extension phase, and right now we're going to work the 200, see if this area holds. If it does hold, then I'll be expecting more to the upside. If it doesn't, I'll be expecting a gap fill back down to $6 if $7 doesn't hold. QLGN as well, I'm looking for a boom boom play from the bottom to the upside right into 200 moving average, so keep an eye out on that as well. HLBZ, I'm looking for a bottom bounce play, and we're getting that right into 85 cents. That is where I'm expecting price to really inch into. Triple I, right now we're pushing and pushing and pushing. $7.50, $7.75 is going to be our resistance. If that area holds, then I'll be expecting a pullback into $7.25, so keep an eye out on that as well. BQ, okay, BQ right now we have a boom play and another boom play, and only to reject, close into this $4, okay, and close $2.75 area. So look for this area to act as a resistance. If it holds as a resistance spot, I'll be expecting a pullback to $2.25 in the coming days. APDN as well, right now $10 is going to act as a support for the move to the upside. Price really, you know, did push into $31 and this pretty close to $32, so keep an eye out on that as well. Also looking at WIMI, WIMI, we're looking at this downtrend break. That is our expectation. If that area really holds, this $2 spot holds, then we can continue to push right into the boom boom play on this 200 moving average. MMAT, I'm looking for a bottom bounce play on this name, so keep an eye out on that as well. Keep a close attention to that. APDN, boom 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 boom, gap up into 200 moving average, and guess what, close right below it, and the following day we just shoot right through. So keep an eye out. We are extended, so I'll be looking for a pullback below $4 in that name. We're looking at SWIM, SWIM. We're looking for a bottom bounce play. If we break this downtrend, then we can push into $7.25, $7.50 in the coming days. So keep an eye out as well on that name. AVTX, we're looking for price to break through $4.25. If it does, then we'll be looking for $4.75, $5 in the coming days. I think, you know, that will really materialize. MTC, also another reverse split name, guys. I will be taking profit into the 200. I told you, you know, that this 200 is a very solid area of rejection, you know. So if your stock is really pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing into the 200 moving average, and is a low float and is a momentum stock, you want to be looking at selling into the 200 moving average, because these low float, low price stocks, they always, in most cases, respect the 200 moving average zone. So keep an eye out on that as well. PETZ, right now we're looking for a move to the upside into $3.20. That is my expectation. Also boom boom play on MUX. SYN is another one. Right now I'm looking for a bottom bounce play on that name, so keep an eye out. I think we can do good on that as well. Zilla as well, XELA, they've reverse split so many times, and right now this is another attempt for the move to the upside, because guess what, we have reverse split name pushing and pushing in this market, so I'll be expecting this to push at some point in time as well. BBI, also reverse split name, look for this area to come in. $5 is my expectation in the coming days. ITP as well, this is going to be a bottom bounce play. Bottom bounce play, we go boom boom play. Also another boom boom play is MOTS. Thank you for being here. Thank you for spending your weekend with me. If you have any questions, concern, if you want me to analyze any stock, talk about it, just email me, you know, at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com, or you can follow me up on Twitter as well. I'm over there. Just you know, talk to me on Stock Tweet as well. I'm also there. Go out there and be a change to the world. Go out there and be productive. And thank you guys for being here. Peace and love, guys. Bye bye.